Welcome to Health First, your daily boost for a stronger, healthier you. Let's dive in.
Think you can survive on 4 hours of sleep and still stay fit? Think again. Because every night you lose sleep, your body slows down in ways you can't even feel. Your metabolism crashes, cravings skyrocket, and fat storage turns on like a switch. It's a silent process that sabotages your health and fitness goals without you even realizing it. But what if I told you there's a simple, free way to reverse this damage? Today, we'll uncover what sleep deprivation really does inside your body and how just one night of good sleep can reignite your metabolism. This isn't just about feeling less tired, it's about unlocking your body's true potential. Let's dive into the science. When you don't sleep enough, your body's delicate balance of hunger hormones gets completely flipped upside down. Meet ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin is the hormone that screams, "I'm hungry," and leptin is the one that says, "Okay, I'm full, you can stop eating now." When you're sleep deprived, ghrelin levels shoot up, while leptin levels plummet. The result? You feel ravenously hungry, you crave junk food, and you eat way more than you normally would, all without realizing you're being controlled by your out-of-whack hormones. That midnight pizza or bag of chips isn't a lack of willpower. It's your body's desperate response to a lack of sleep. And that's not all. Your insulin sensitivity takes a nosedive. Insulin is the key that lets sugar from your food enter your cells to be used for energy. When you're not sensitive to insulin, that sugar gets locked out of your cells and your body has no choice but to store it as fat. Think about that. Instead of burning fuel, your body is actively hoarding it. Shockingly, studies show that even one single night of poor sleep can slow your resting metabolic rate by up to 15% the next day. That means you're burning fewer calories just by existing. You wake up, grab a coffee to fight the fatigue, but your internal engine is already running on low power, making it that much harder to burn fat and stay energized. Now let's talk about the hidden effects, the ones that go even deeper. Lack of sleep completely messes with your circadian rhythm. This is your body's internal 24-hour clock that regulates everything from your digestion and body temperature to hormone release and, yes, your fat-burning cycles. When this clock is off, it's like your body is in a constant state of jet lag. It doesn't know when to burn energy and when to store it. So even if you're eating healthy, a disrupted rhythm can signal your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. It's a frustrating cycle where you're doing everything right during the day, but your poor sleep habits are undoing all your hard work at night. Ever notice how you crave sugar and carbs like crazy when you're exhausted? That's not a coincidence. It's your brain, which runs primarily on glucose, begging for a quick energy fix. When you're sleep deprived, your cells become less efficient at using energy, so they're literally running low on fuel. Your brain sends out an emergency signal for fast energy. And what's the fastest source? Sugar. That candy bar or soda isn't just a treat. It's your brain's desperate attempt to stay online. You're not weak. Your biology is simply trying to compensate for a serious energy deficit created by a lack of rest. Okay, that all sounds pretty bad, but the good news is you can fix this, and you can start tonight. It's not about complicated diets or expensive gadgets. It's about getting back to basics. Here's how you can repair your sleep and fire up your metabolism naturally. First, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. This is non-negotiable. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every single day, even on weekends. This trains your circadian rhythm and tells your body when to expect rest and when to be active. Consistency is key to resetting your internal clock. Second, avoid blue light at least 1 hour before bed. That means no phones, no tablets, no TV. The blue light from these screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or do some light stretching instead. Third, stop eating 2 to 3 hours before you go to sleep. A late night meal can spike your blood sugar and insulin, confusing your metabolism at a time when it should be winding down for restorative processes. Let your digestive system rest so your body can focus on repair. And finally, create the perfect sleep sanctuary. Make your room as cool, dark, and quiet as possible. A cooler room temperature actually encourages your body to burn more calories to stay warm, activating what's known as brown fat, the good kind of fat that helps burn the bad kind. Use blackout curtains and turn off all light sources. In just 1 week of following these simple steps, you'll notice a dramatic difference. You'll have fewer cravings, sharper focus, more stable energy throughout the day, and a metabolism that's finally working with you, not against you. Remember, your body isn't lazy, it's just tired. The real key to boosting your metabolism and achieving your health goals isn't another punishing diet or a magic supplement. It's sleep. It's the most powerful, restorative, and underrated tool you have. Give your body the deep, quality rest it deserves, and it will reward you with boundless energy, mental clarity, and natural, effortless fat burn. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to conquer your day. Sleep better, and you will live better. If you found this video helpful and are ready to reclaim your energy, hit that like button and share it with someone you know who's been burning the midnight oil. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed wellness videos. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more rested you.